Tired of dull knives, scissors, and garden tools? You need a Speedy Sharp. Speedy Sharp sharpens virtually any kind of edge, fast. It sharpens knives, scissors, garden tools, and tons more. Speedy Sharp sharpens knives quickly and easily. It's durable enough to work on the toughest edges and precise enough to work on razor-fine edges too. Speedy Sharp restores edges on razor knives faster and cheaper than changing out blades. Speedy Sharp is perfect for sharpening curved edges. Speedy Sharp is a must-have for campers and hunters. It keeps knives, broadheads, hatchets, and even fish hooks razor sharp. It's so small and lightweight, you can keep one in your pocket, your kitchen drawer, toolbox, tackle box, glove box, or just put one on your keychain so it's always handy. Speedy Sharp is so useful, you'll wonder how you ever got along without one. On the job, in the home, outdoors, or wherever you need an edge sharpened.